Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now guys, today we are reviewing Izingane Zesithembu. Listen, when I tell you that Muslim Seleko has been giving us a very dope reality TV show. Now we are back again with the Mseleko family, but this time around we are in it for Izingane Zesithembu. Now guys, the irony the irony in this is that today is actually the first day that Izingane Zesithembu is gonna air, coming back with season 3. And also today it was Mhlopekazi's birthday party. She turns 5, you all. Guys, please let's give Uvuyokazi her flowers she deserves. She deserves to get as many flowers as possible just to acknowledge her. She has done a wonderful job as a single mom, raising her 2 wonderful babies. Guys, it will just be so unfair of us if we do not give her flowers. The birthday party, the decor, everything else looks so good. Lalela, with them Selagos, there is no way singahlebi. There is no way ingabibikho into ethethisayo. Whenever the Mselekus are featured, it's obvious, it's given sizohleba izothethisa into yakhona. Now listen, Uvuyokazi, a single wonderful mom that she is to her beautiful babies. The theme was pink. It is said that Uvuyokazi asked for Barbie and not Vuyokazi, Mhlopekazi asked for a Barbie theme part, and then Uvuyokazi was like, say no more my baby, Barbie is what you're gonna get. So the theme was pink, and Vuyokazi's last born baby Unzulu, he was also wearing pink. Very beautiful party, I must say. It's something that was like, oh, I wish I can give my daughter something like this as well. Kodwa ke ayikho ngami, you know. So guys, first of all, in the party, it does not even seem like the Mselekus were invited or they were present. Maybe they were invited, but they decided not to come. Who knows? And also, it does not seem that Umpumelelo Bandla Ibubesi Lasemzumbe was even present as well in his daughter's birthday party, you know. But the funny thing is that one thing about Muslim Seleko that man kills me each and every time. Did he not post Uvuyokazi? He made sure that he posted Uvuyokazi with the kids, you know. And it seems like the photo that he posted, he stole it on Instagram and decided to repost. It does not seem like perhaps Uvuyokazi sent him these pictures, you know. And on Instagram, Uvuyokazi posted pictures of herself with her children, but she also posted the pictures of just the children, you know, when it was just the 2 of them, Mhlopekazi and the baby boy. But Mseleko guys decided to post pictures where Uvuyokazi was there, you know. And this just tells us ukuthi bandla Umusa, you know, it's funny that we cannot choose for our children, guys. You know, our children, no matter how much we love someone else for our children, but we cannot choose for our children. So this does says to me, Umusa dearly loved Uvuyokazi for his son Umpumelelo, but Umpumelelo was never there. Kesana Umpumelelo was already a gone boy. He was gone, you know. He was gone. He was not coming back with Utherelo. His heart was now on Utherelo. He was no longer on Uvuyokazi, which obviously it's sad for Uvuyokazi. But these things happened, you know, guys. It's really does happen. You know, it's a shame that obviously this happened after they had two beautiful children. It's very much a shame, you know, because you would just wish it was, oh, son, why didn't they break up before you guys had even children, you know, or maybe when she just had one. But now they have 2 and the relationship just did not work out. But guys, I mean, I don't know about you all, but I find it very much funny that Musa decided to post this picture of Vuyokazi and her two beautiful children. But also, guys, I think even on the show, Musa did made it clear that if it was up to him, Umpumelelo Benovuyokazi would have worked, and also Umpumelelo also even in the show did made it clear that he did express to his father ukuthi he no longer have feelings for Uvuyokazi, but the person who kept on persisting and forcing him and telling him that things gotta work out between him and Uvuyokazi, it was his father. So guys, honestly, it does seem like Umpumelelo lost a big gem on Vuyokazi. But also, guys, this season we've seen the teasers of Izingane Zesithembu, and it's something that I just want to talk about. But let me just say this: we have seen that now there's gonna be rough, things are, because guys, as in Umjolo have no VIP section kasana siyanye sonke, you get. So if ever you think Umjolo reserved a VIP section for you, you will soon find out ukuthi sana there is no VIP section here. Umjolo uzokunyisa one way or the other, okay? So I think Tirelo is coming to that realization ukuthi yosana, and now Tirelo finds herself, confiding in her father-in-law. So I think Umusa phela, like, he's also the most shadiest man ever, so he does say things that are not nice, but also he does want to just like cover it up in a way and acts like he did not say whatever, So with that being said, I would just maybe say that maybe Musa posted Uvuyokazi just so that whatever we're about to see on the show, Musa bonding more with Utirelo, maybe he doesn't want us to judge him and be like, oh, now you are bonding with Utirelo, you have forgotten with Uvuyokazi. Maybe he doesn't want to get judged, maybe, because it makes no sense. Why did he post the picture where Vuyokazi was in it as well? Or else he could have just posted only his grandchildren, but he chose to post a picture with Vuyokazi in it. It gives shady. It gives shady. Meanwhile, Gasana ibubesi lasemzumbe Umpumelelo decided ukuthi nje yena he is going to post Uvuyokazi and himself, and but it does not seem like he was in the party. It honestly does not seem like he made it in the party, or maybe he made the invite. Maybe he was just never invited, maybe he was just never invited, the invites, he was never cut through in it. That's possible. But guess, Sana, who would blame Uvuyokazi? Who? Definitely not me. I would just also sometimes, you just want to spice up baby daddy a little bit and be like, let me just spice up baby daddy and not invite him on the birthday party. But guys, anyway, well done to Uvuyokazi. She is such a wonderful mom, a giving mom to her children. She is present in all ways possible. And the party Kamhlophekazi was a gem, was a real gem. And her children are super beautiful. She just have the most wonderful, beautiful children. Anyway, guys, moving along to Utirelo, who is expected to be Umamkulu. I would expect to go to I mean, she's the only girlfriend who is standing. She's the only survivor. And on season 1, she did say, she comes from 4. She did say, she was initially girlfriend number 4. So she was number 4. There were 3 more girls, okay? So initially she got rid of 2. and she remains to be number 2. So I think her main goal, her main subjective was to get rid of Uvuyokazi. Or maybe Uvuyokazi beNompumelelo just had their problems separately. You know, their relationship just couldn't work at all. But again, nonetheless, Tirelo Mathers won the man, because from number 4 to number 1, I mean, she is the only girlfriend, she's the only survivor, she's the only girlfriend left standing in Mpumelelo's life. So I mean, she made it, guys, she made it, okay, she won the prize. Mpumelelo is the prize right now, okay, and she won it. But now, because Umjolo, guys, Umjolo will humble you. Umjolo will teach you a lot about life, things that you never even imagined. We'll see such things exist in life, you know. Umjolo will teach you. Umjolo is a lifelong lesson, okay? So at this point, I would expect ukuthi Tirelo abo umamkhulu, guys, honestly, like I would expect ukuthi abo umamkhulu, because I mean, she came a long way. But yeah, guys, on the previous season, I think one main thing that made Mpumelelo and Uvuyokazi to break up, ukuthi Uvuyokazi, I mean, was fighting for herself, was fighting ukuthi yazini, I've been with you for this number of years, I've have a child with you, and this and that. So now it's not right ukuthi wena ungangenzi umamkhulu, you know, I even have 2 children with you, so please, it's only fair ukuthi ungenze umamkhulu, because I now have 2 children, you know. But then Mpumelelo was not willing ukuthi ayenze ulontosana Uvuyokazi umamkhulu. If anything, Mpumelelo came with a theory virgin ukuthi it's only fair ukuthi umamkhulu wakhe kube virgin, this and that, okay. When I tell you ukuthi Tirelo was laughing through and through, not bothered, kesana aphole enhloko, anganangisho ne-stress esincinci, you know, about the virgin thing. If anything, Tirelo was more mocking Uvuyokazi ukuthi hayibo baby girl, why are you worried about virgin, you know? Why are you worried about the virgin story, you know? Kaloku wena ubungumamkhulu womjolo, so nje there was nothing about you. But guys, Tirelo, honestly speaking, now I'm not gonna lie and say I like her or anything, and I know that maybe I shouldn't judge a person based on what I'm seeing on TV. I am well aware of it, but guys, like that, like Tirelo just has never represented herself as a good person. Never. And also, guys, you know, I know that there are people who hate me as well. So if I dislike Tirelo, it's not a big deal. It just means that maybe what I've seen is not a person that I would get along with. And there are people who have judged me also based on looks or based on whatever. They look at me and they're like, we don't like you, mama. It happens. It's such of thing. It's part of life, you know, and it's something that I've learned to accept. So me saying that I don't like Tirelo, it's not because I'm just saying that Mina I'm holy and this and that. I'm just saying that probably if I were to meet her in real life, we wouldn't get along, judging from what I have seen, okay? She was very disrespectful towards Uvuyokazi, unnecessary so, you know. And, you know, she even said things like, oh, please love yourself, Uvuyokazi, you know, things that, yes, guys, Tirelo was so, and guys, you know, I do understand that probably if we're sharing a man, like, we will never be best friends. That I get, okay? But it disrespects is unnecessary. Unnecessarily so. Why are we disrespecting each other? Why? Please make it make sense why there is so much disrespect, okay? So with it disrespects, you know, oh, please love yourself, this and that, you know. It was just so much and too much. And also even on the fights, guys, if you remember season 2, how it ended, Uvuyokazi and Utirelo now fighting each other. If you remember that it ended on that note, you will remember that fight was just never about Utirelo. In fact, they shouldn't even have fought. Why did Utirelo turn and come back and talk to Ulontuzana Uvuyokazi when they didn't have to? Because Uvuyokazi asked a meeting. I remember Uvuyokazi asked a meeting with her men, Umpumelelo, okay? But that didn't have to happen. The fight was never happened only if Utirelo didn't turn back and include herself in conversation that had nothing to do with her. But she came back just to provoke Uvuyokazi. Uvuyokazi was already going through a breakup. First of all, Vuyokazi was going through a breakup, which was a vulnerable time in her life. Secondly, she had to honor a contract. You get her coming to that trip in Sun City. It's not because she wanted to be in Sun City. She didn't, okay? But she had a contract to honor. She signed that she is gonna be shooting the whole 13 episode. She must be there and honor her contract. You get? So why now is this woman called Tirelo making it difficult for this girl to just say, okay, you know what? I've made up my mind. Me and this person are no longer a thing. Okay? Because that's where she was at. She was at a point where she have made up her mind. She understands. You know what? Probably me and Umpumelelo were never meant to be together, and now I have to cut my losses and keep it moving. That's where Vuyokazi was at. But she didn't have to be provoked by Utirelo. Was very provoked. It's long, but Utirelo, guys, provoke of Vuyokazi, provocative kinda, okay? But anyway, guys, enough about Umpumelelo Nesithembu. It's like, guys, Umpumelelo is the show. When we talk about Ingane Zesithembu, we talk about Umpumelelo because he is the show. He is Ingane Zesithembu. Ingane Zesithembu without Umpumelelo does not even exist. The like lalela azikho ingane zesithembu without Umpumelelo is ingane zesithembu. But anyway, guys, this season I hope we to see uLwandle, to explore the other siblings as well, potentially to see their relationships as well. I know the girls will never because Umseleko doesn't play like that. But maybe I would want to see uLwandle manifesting his relationships because Sana, it has been about Umpumelelo this, Umpumelelo that, and Umpumelelo this, okay? Also, one thing that I love this season, it seems like we are gonna see the adults, abantu bakwamseleku, the kids are going to be able to vent, because I feel like also, just allowing the kids to just explore this reality, ntontoni, it's also good but not good, because these people are still kids, even Mpumelelo is still a child, still need guardians there and there, on how to maneuver life. So I'm so happy that now the adults are going to get some screen time, like maybe usine umenenkinga uzokwazi ukuthi kumacele eyochaza ukuthi no yena unenkinga ekanjeni kanje. Umpilo same thing, and Umpilo benosine ukuthi currently they don't have a relationship nani. I hope it's something that they are going to be able to resolve, but I don't know how, because I think uThobile, who is a stepmother Skampilo, cannot be able to assist and intervene when it comes to that, because Husne also made it clear ukuthi bandla noThobile naye ngathi akamzwisisi at all. So I think now umuntu ongakwazi ke bandla ukintervene and help and save the day in the situation, it is uMacele, who can try and tell Usne ukuthi no Sne, let's intervene, let's talk it through. Why are you saying when Nompilo you do not get along? But anyway, guys, this season my hope is to see more of the other siblings, and just try to get to understand their personality. Bandla sesisibonile isithembu sikaMpumelelo, see enough as much as Umpumelelo and nesithembu sakhe, they are the show. They are the show. But no. I hope to see the other siblings doing their own thing. We just get to understand their personalities as well, this and that. Anyway, guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, you will give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one, when of course I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.